Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn changing website styles. Using CSS properties, we have learned our previous lectures as well. In this lecture also, the CSS properties using jQuery, how we are going to easily applying for our HTML web forms. Let's see with a simple example. I'm going to taking a very simple p tags along with the table tags here. And now let's see here the button, the things I have here, right? See, now one p tag I have taken, style background color, something it is already added. This background color will change. And the background color here, it is something it is taken. And within the table, some background color will applied over here with the table, with the paragraph tag. And this is the paragraph. And the button one which is taken. See, like what is my concentration is here to you to how different type of tags of HTML using these jQuery options to change the styles and all of CSS. For the purpose, I have taken p tag for the paragraph, tr tag for the table row, and a td within the p, and again a paragraph. This is the paragraph I am displaying here, and a button. One button I have taken. I'll display once if it is saved and run it. See, this is the background red, green, like a magenta, and this background color will change and change the background color of a p tag over here. All right. Now I'm going to making functionality adding of like a jQuery functionality for this. How it is. Now let's see here. Like a document.getReady function is always we have to use. That you know very well. And now what I'm doing, like taking the code of within the ready function. Within that function, I'm adding this. Here, these are the line. This is the one line only I have added here. Like with the button, this is the button I'm preparing for a function on click. Dot p tag. This is the p tag is there now. Dot p tag dot css. You have to use the keyword of dot id with dot css and the background color to be yellow. Font size to be 200%. Where the p tag is impact, this color to be applied. Now save this and reload the form. Yes. Now change the background color of p tag. Check here. Wow. How it is changed all the p tag colors with a single click. If you want to change the color, yes, as you wish to change the color. If I'm like reloading this page, it is come back here. And when I press the button of p tag, wherever the p tag is issued, all the things will change. Like see, these three are p tags, and again within the table, this is the background color will change like p tag, and this is the paragraph is on a p tag. This all like five things are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Everything is applying with what is the function. When I click the button, this function is calling background color yellow. Like I may put it as orange. Save it and reload. Click the button. Oh, beauty. Orange. That is the beauty of changing of the styles. You will learn many things. And if you want to make more attributes like this, the key value pair, like a name of the attribute, the value of the attribute you have to specify with the based of comma, you have to specify in jQuery. That's all about this lecture. Try to explore and apply your own colors and all for this jQuery lectures and practice well. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.